Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and before we get started on this how to apply highlighter 3 ways, please hit the subscribe button, and please also don't forget to ring the bell. So I am going to be showing you how to apply liquid highlighter 3 ways. I'm using a shadow sense, but you can use a liquid highlighter, and I'm showing you how to use a powdered highlighter 3 ways. So let's get started. Hey guys, so I wanted to hop on before I finish all of my makeup and show you 3 ways how you can apply highlighter to your face. So let's get started. I'm going to be using Shadow Sense eyeshadow. You can also use it like the shimmery kind. I'm using the pink opal shimmer. You can use this for a highlight, or you can use sandstone pearl shimmer, and I'm pretty sure you can use mauve shimmer. Any of the shimmers that are like light, like brighter than your skin tone. So I am going to start off on this side with this Shadow Sense. If you do not have Shadow Sense, a liquid highlighter could work. So I'm going to start off with pink opal shimmer, and the first way, I'm just going to take the wand and I'm just lightly going to put it on my cheekbone, just like that. And remember, with Shadow Sense, you have 60 to 90 seconds to put it in place before it sets and dries, but I wait a little bit. And also, I have learned that if you have drier skin, a liquid highlighter or like Shadow Sense would work better than powder. That's what I have learned. Excuse me. So the first way is to lightly just use your finger, is the first way. Okay, see, there's a highlight. Perfect. So, and you can also use it on your in your brow, like close to your brow bone. Sorry, I was looking in the mirror. So I'm gonna try that next. So just lightly, and I'm gonna put it above. So it gives, there we go, gives a little bit more shimmer. I just learned how to use your finger. I like the finger part. So I'm just gonna take my finger again and just tap it. See how much brighter it looks? Oh, so good. So now I'm going to show you the second way. I thought it was. So I'm just gonna apply it in the same place. I almost did that by accident. Just like that. And I'm going to use this small Real Technique sponge, and I'm just gonna wait a few minutes. I'm not sponsored by any of these companies. I'm just doing it on my own to show you guys. And thank you for subscribing and viewing all of my videos. I am very thankful for you guys, because one of my videos, it's a hair spray video. It's Love, Beauty, and Planet hit over 1,000K views, and I have a second video. It's another hair video. It's the Chia Iron Heat Protectant Spray. It's almost at 1K. So I'm just gonna take the end of it and just start patting it up. This also works. I don't know if you guys can see that, but this is usually how I do it. So I like the finger method way better. So the last thing I'm going to show you is this fan brush, but yeah, fan brush. But I'm going to use that for powder side, and also I'm going to use this contouring brush by Saucony Kiss that I got in a packet. So let's start out. I'm going to be using, I did a video a while back on this hard candy rose gold highlighter. The number is 1307, and I will insert pictures of it. Yeah, I did a video on it. I will try to link it down in the description, but I always tend to forget. But this used to be like my favorite way to highlight my face. So okay, it is, I should have went off camera. So this is what it looks like. It is very, very pretty. I have not used this in a long time. So that's what it looks like, and it is a powdered form. So I am going to try my finger on this side. So I'm just going to take the lighter color because I used the lighter color on this side, and I'm just lightly, it kind of matches. That's weird. And I'm just lightly going to put it on my cheekbone. And then I'm going to do up here on the brow bone. And then I'm going to do above. I actually, this, like, I'm not trying to compare Shadow Sense to this rose gold highlighter. I might do that in another video. This actually goes on a lot smoother than the Shadow Sense. Like, I like it. So now I'm going to take my fan brush that I got, same colors, and just lightly, oh, forgot to pat it. You want to pat it. And I'm just going to do the same thing. And then I should do the same thing on this side with the liquid. I'm going to do that next. Sorry guys, I totally missed a step. So I'm going to take my contouring brush, just pat it, and lightly put it on, oops, I did my other eye by accident. So I am going to use the same one, and I'm just going to apply it. Wow, this is pink, this is gold. So I'm just going to apply it. And I'm going to use my fan brush, and I'm just going to pat it. So hopefully it's dry enough. And I'm just going to lightly pat it into my skin. Okay. I'm gonna have like glowing face today, but that's okay. Now I'm going to take this contouring brush and by Saucony Cash and just lightly go again. And I'm going to take the flat, I'm just gonna pat it like this. Amazing. Gently just pat it. So those are 3 easy ways to apply liquid and powder highlighter to your face. And maybe I'll do a tutorial on comparison, but I really like both ways. So thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like or give me a thumbs up on this video. If you have any questions, comments, please put them down in the comment box down below, and I will try to insert the video that I did tutorial on this highlight or hard candy highlighter rose gold. But if sometimes I forget, you can jump on over there and check it out. So thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to ring the bell so that you will be notified when I post new videos every single week. First come, first serve. Thanks for watching, and please remember to stay safe and stay home, and we're all in this together. Thanks for watching.